My name is Juliet Burnett. I'm 31 years old. I'm an Australian ballerina. I danced with the Australian Ballet for 12 and a half years. My grandmother was the Sultan's star dancer in his palace in Jakarta. My mother was an actress in my uncle's theatre group, Bengkel Theatre. My uncle was W.S. Rendra. Part of the visit here is to a project called Ballet Goes to Ciliwung. And this is something that I spoke about with the organisers of the Ballet Gala. I said, well, I would like to take these masterclasses, but one of the things that I've always dreamed about, as long as I've been coming to Indonesia and being a professional ballet dancer, is bringing the art form of ballet to the marginalised communities, because I think that, for me, dance is a universal language. I can speak Indonesian, but I don't have to speak to them in Indonesian because we can speak to each other through dance. And there's so many ways, whether they're interested in dancing, choreography, leading a ballet company, teaching, there's just so many ways that they can be part of that magical world. Everyone can dance. Everyone has an urge of some sort. It doesn't matter about where you are on the socio-economic scale. It matters what's in here and what you can do with your body.